Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us move to another question, number 5 of gravitation, based on Newton's law of gravitation. Students, let us solve question number 5 on gravitation. It says that there are two masses per spheres. We have, I'll just write the data instead of question. We have got two spheres. Okay. One is having 40 kg mass and the other one is having 15 kg mass, and their center to center distance is 20 centimeter. So obviously they will attract each other, and the force of attraction on them, the force acting on them is given by 0.1 milligram weight. This is the force that they will exert on each other. You have to find the value of gravitational constant. This is the question. Okay. Now, this is a very simple question. So the solution is that when we have got two masses, point masses, then the force of attraction is G m1 m2 over distance square. So from here you can calculate G, which is Fr square divided by m1 m2. So the G value is F which is 0.1 milligram weight, that you have to convert. So 1 kg weight is, so first you have to milligram, you have to convert to gram, like kilogram. So 1 milligram, 1 gram is 1000 milligram. So 1 milligram is 10 raised to minus 3 gram, and again you have to convert it into kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. So 0.1 milligram from here is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is now gram weight. Now this I will convert into kilogram. So this gram is 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram weight. And in terms of weight, you write this is to multiply G. This is kilogram kg weight. This is now kg weight. When you talk about kg weight, then you have to multiply 10. I take acceleration due to gravity as 10, so I will multiply 10. So this 10 into this 0.1 is 1. So 10 raised to minus 6 Newton. This is the force that is this one is experiencing, or this one is experiencing. This force is 10 raised to the power minus 6 Newton approximately. So G value is F R square. F is this one. So R square 20 centimeter is 20 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Then you square it, divided by m1 m2, which is 40 and 15. All the quantities are in SI unit, so therefore whatever you will get, that is the answer. If I solve this, then this is 4. This is actually 2 10 raised to minus 1, so it is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2, and this is 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 40 into 15. 4 will cancel, 10 is there or goes off, minus 3, minus 9. So it is 10 to the power minus 9, and this is 1 divided by 15. So if I put 100 here, then this will be minus 11. So you can solve this. This will be 100 divided by 15 and 10 to the power minus 11 Newton, because Newton meter square over kg square, this will be the unit. In general, we know that the gravitational constant is 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square over kg square. This is what we have learned. But for this particular question, if you solve this, then this will come out to be a 6 point something, 15, 6 and 90. So it is 6 point something. So I'll solve this, then I'll get 6.53 10 to the power minus 11, and that is the answer to this question. So the value of G comes out to be this one. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you.